Hi there, YouTube world. Again, this is Al. And as I said in my previous vlog, that I'll be sharing important things about the things that I've learned in my life. And ngayon, kaya nilagay ko yung must watch because each and every one of us, di ba, parang at the end of the day, at the end of the long grind, di ba, iniisip natin how our day was spent. So, ako, while walking, while trying to figure out how to be able to best measure my life, nakaisip ako ng formula. I hope it works for you because it's working for me. At the end of the day, mini-measure ko or kino-compartmentalize ko every aspect, my personal defects, my relationship with other people, and of course, my relationship with God, how I did for the day. So, an example is, for example, sa work, I give myself 50%. Sometimes I give myself 70%. Depends on the output that I give. On other days naman, um, I also measure my relationship with God if my actions are aligned to His purpose for me, or what are the things that I wanted to work on with my relationship with Him. So pag may mga days na masyado ako naging busy, so I give myself 50-50, or may mga days na if I'm able to be very connected to Him, I give myself 80-20. And all the other things, with my daughters, with my, mabilis lang kasi sometimes, di ba, parang we are actually very caught up how bago tayo matulog if we lived a good life or naging meaningful ba yung day natin. So, ako, that's what I do. At the end of the day, hindi pa ako magaling sa math, pero yun ang ginagawa ko. Yung mga aspeto ng buhay ko na importanteng alam ko kung yung 24 hours ko ay nasulit ko. So, on an average, my work, my family life, my relationship with God, relationship with other people, nire-rate ko yung sarili ko. So, if I did like, for example, in a very good day, I did 85 over 15, meaning 85, it's well spent and well productive to everything that I wanted. So, I always end up my day with a serenity prayer. If you're not familiar with it, the serenity prayer is goes something like this: the the courage to do the things that I can, and the wisdom to know the difference. That's a few of the lines there. So, para may peace ako at the end of the day, bago ako matulog, nagdasal ako at nasabi ko sa kanya na, Lord, if it is my day, because we never know when it will happen, di ba? I knew that I'm closer to Him. Or kung may mga days naman that I failed, what I do is that, Lord, wag mo na ngayon. Wag mo na tonight. Because I wanted to do better the next day. Tapos I wake up naman the next day and say a gratitude prayer, because it's very important that we are aware that every day is a new blessing, every day is a new beginning. So it gives me hope that I could do better, or it gives me a new perspective to continue on improving if nagiging maganda yung path ko. So that's it. Just put a percentage over your life in a day. Kasi alam ko po it's very easy, and sometimes the busyness of the day, our minds, our body, and then sa paligid natin keeps us unfocused or distracted. This way, kahit paano before you end your day, you knew na ma-measure ninyo how your day turned out, and you could give thanks, or you could ask forgiveness, or you could ask for another chance. So, I hope it works for you because it's really working for me. I've been doing this for the past 60 days, and so far, I feel a lot better about it. About my everyday 24 hours, the one day at a time that I always try to give myself as a reminder. Anyways, so again, tapos na po. So I hope that I would see you in the next. Please like, subscribe, and share this to your friends. I hope it would help. Okay, thank you. Bye.